So CBSE class 10, okay, board examination. This is the pattern that we are going to discuss. Before any exam that you attend, okay, you should know the pattern of the question paper. If you know the pattern of question paper, it becomes easy for you attempt the questions. Okay. So as I told you for French exam, okay, the question paper is divided into 4 sections. What are the 4 sections? First is section A, which is what? Comprehension.
Comprehension.
Yes,
Comprehension.
oral.
Comprehension.
Okay. Comprehension oral, which is called as unseen passage in English language. What is that?
Passage.
Unseen passage in,
Unseen passage.
yes. So comprehension oral, which is called as unseen passage in English. Okay. The second is section B. Section
Writing
B
skills.
is la prédiction écrite. Prédiction écrite means
Writing skills.
writing skills. Okay. Writing skills. And then you have section C, la grammaire.
Grammar.
Yes. La grammaire. Okay. Grammar is grammar. Grammar is grammar. I hope it is understood. And section D, this is la culture,
Literature.
the literature, the culture. Now, when I say the marking scheme, la compréhension orale, this is for 10 marks. Okay. La prédiction écrite, the writing skill will be for 20 marks. La grammaire, this will be for 30 marks. And la culture for again what marks? 20 marks. So 10 plus 20 becomes 30. 30 plus 30 will be 60. 60 plus 20 makes how many marks in total?
80.
This is an 80 marker paper. Understood? Any doubt till here? No? Now we will discuss each and every section wise. So what type of questions will come in section A, then section B and section C and section D. Now we go for section A first. Section A, as I have told you, it has comprehension passage. So section A may, this will be a picture based comprehension passage. What based comprehension passage? Hanji.
ऊपर का थोड़ा सा.
Okay, you need to write it. Sorry. If you people are writing this also, either write in the first page of your register or write it in the last pages of register, because in between kahin pe bhi likhoge gum ho jayega. Or else if you're writing in between, kindly tag it. अगर तुमने देविशा का रजिस्टर देखा होगा तो वो भी टैग करती है हर एक इसको, तो काइंडली टैग
मैंने नहीं देखा.
हाँ, so that you don't have to search things.
लिख लिया.
Yeah. So section A, what is in section A? How the comprehension passage will be, how the unseen passage will be. It will be a picture based unseen passage. Okay. Now you might think picture से तो क्या ही आएगा. There will be 2 to 3 questions on the behalf of picture. The picture reading is mandatory. Okay. Picture को analyze करना is mandatory. You will have some data also in that particular picture. Okay. It will not be only picture. Some percentage, some graph, something will be given there. So you have to read that picture also.
मैम,
हाँ जी.
हम आर्यन मुझे बोल रहा है वेटिंग रूम में.
Okay, I cannot see. So this will be a picture-based unseen passage, and what should not be neglected? The data which is given in the
graph.
the data which is given in the picture shouldn't be neglected. It has to be taken care of. Okay. Now, what are the questions that will be coming? One is répondez aux questions. Répondez aux questions. Okay, you have to do two of your choice. चॉइस को शुआ बोलते हैं. Okay, so two of your choice, how many will be given? 4 or 3 will be given. उसमें से कितना करना है? Attempt
टू.
only 2. Okay, understood. Fine. तो जो श्योर 2 आते हैं उसी को अटेम्प्ट करना. एंड दिस विल बी कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ 4 मार्क्स. ये कितने मार्क्स का होगा? 4 मार्क्स. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट इज योर वे ऑफ फॉर्म. Brave for also again for how many marks? 3 marks. Okay. Then you will be having Trouvé dans le texte. Trouvé dans le texte का मतलब होता है find in the text. So find in the text में क्या क्या आ सकता है? You can be told to find the synonym. Synonym या फिर उसको हम ऑथ्रोमो भी बोल सकते हैं. क्या बोल सकते हैं? ऑथ्रोमो. Okay. You can be told to find contraire. What is contraire, children?
ऑपोजिट.
Opposites. You can be told to find adjectives, or you can be told to find what? Adverbs. Okay. You can be told to find adjectives, adverbs. La forme nominal. La forme nominal या फिर verbal. Anything. And you will be having a choice in this also. इसमें भी क्या होगा? Choice होगी, and that also depends. Okay. ऑथ्रोमो और सिनोनिम क्या होता है? मीनिंग होता है. क्या होता है? मीनिंग. कॉन्ट्रेयर इज ऑपोजिट. ओके. एडवर्ब्स हमेशा किससे एंड होते हैं? 90% एडवर्ब्स एंड बाय MENT. ओके. एडजेक्टिव्स यू विल बी फाइंडिंग बिफोर द नाउन, and adverbs you will be finding after the verb. Okay. Again, this will comprise of 3 marks. Now what's the total, kids?
10.
10. So section A is complete. Okay. Any doubt here? If you want to note down, kindly note it down. Then we'll discuss section B. Section B is writing skills, la production écrite. Okay. The first question will be lettre. Lettre में, okay, out of 3, you need to write 1. Okay. 3 में से एक लेटर लिखना है. This will be of 10 marks. Okay. The second question, okay, the second question will be having A, B, and C choice. Okay. In this A, B, and C, you have to write, okay, attempt only 2. Attempt only how many of them? 2 of them. Fine. So A will be always message. Okay. 99%. Okay, I'm writing it 99%. Inviting somebody comes. Okay. Or refusal comes. Accepting comes only rather 1%. 99% क्या होगा? हाँ जी. Message is inviting somebody or refusal. Okay. Fine. And B part will be your, okay, fill in the blanks. Okay. Complete is
मैम
to are. हम्म.
उस 1% में क्या आएगा? एक्सेप्टिंग।
या
ओके।
complete is to are. Okay. Avekla modone. This you are going to attempt only when you are not able to translate the dialogues. ये तुम तभी अटेम्प्ट करोगे जब तुम्हें डायलॉग का कोई आइडिया नहीं है. ओके. मेते ल दिलॉग on odr. So I will suggest you to attempt this and this. Okay. This you are going to B part you are going to attempt only when you don't understand the dialogue. Dialogue का translation नहीं आ रहा. You are thinking that it will take away my marks. Okay, if I'm going to attempt the dialogue, you're not sure of it. Understood? Otherwise, you are not going to attempt this completing the story with the words given. Understood? Yes? Any doubt here? So here this is 10 marks. 2 into 5, again it will be 10 marks. So 10 plus 10, how many marks now? The total becomes
20।
20 again. Yeah. Okay. So section B, sorted 20 marks. Fine. Section C. Section C is 30 marks. Okay. That means 6 questions. Okay. 5 marks each. 6 questions. How many marks each? 5 marks each.
5 marks।
In these 6 questions, 3 questions are compulsory. And in 3 questions, you have choice. Understood? 3 questions are compulsory. And in 3 questions, you have choice. So, totally 9 topics. How many topics? 9 topics. Understood? So, first thing, the first question is the favorite of all.
टॉम कौन बना?
Yes.
हाँ, पता था मुझे।
Tom Combinable. That is,
इतना
if you don't
इतना
understand this,
घटिया टॉपिक है मैम वो।
if you don't understand this, let me make it simpler. Tenses. Okay. You have a leverage in this. What is that leverage? Let me tell you the leverage. 7 questions given. 7 parts given actually.
5 करने थे ना उसमें से।
हाँ. Attempt only 5. This is the leverage given. Okay.
मैम मुझे एक डाउट था।
Yes, yes.
तो मैम जो प्री बोर्ड है वो भी इसी इसी मतलब फॉर्मेट
That
में?
is why I'm doing it right now. This is the
ओके।
only reason I'm doing it right now. अब जो भी एग्जाम होंगे इसी पैटर्न से होंगे.
ओके।
So for that you should know the pattern of the question paper. Got it? Second compulsory question will be your discours rapports. Discours rapport is direct and indirect speech. What it is? Direct and indirect speech. Here also you have a leverage. 7 parts given. Attempt only 5. Now, listen very carefully. In these 7 parts, 4 parts, okay, will be in indirect speech and you have to convert into direct. Understood? Three parts will be in direct speech and you need to convert it into indirect. मतलब जो इजी है वो कैसे आएंगे? कम आएंगे.
इनडायरेक्ट।
इजी इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट नहीं है, डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट है. इन्वर्टेड कॉमास वाले डायरेक्ट होते हैं, उसको इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना इजी है बिकॉज यू नीड टू राइट इन थर्ड पर्सन. Indirect to direct, you need to think the situation. Okay. And then you have to attempt. So choose wisely. एंड मुआ वाला केस जो है, अगर तुम उसको एमिट कर सकते हो तो प्लीज एवितेसा. एवितेसा मीन्स अवॉइड दैट. ओके फाइन. गॉट इट? हैव यू नोटेड टिल सेकंड क्वेश्चन? नाउ दिस इज अ compulsory question. It is a mandatory
मैम
question to be attempted and this is also a mandatory question to be attempted. हाँ जी.
मैम तो अगर तो देखो रिपोर्ट में तो 3 पार्ट ये करें जो दिए हुए हैं और 2 पार्ट वो कर ले
Yes.
डायरेक्ट है।
And not in surprise, इन तीन पार्ट्स में से एक पार्ट क्या पता मुआ वाला हो.
ऐसा तो मत बोलो मैम।
It will happen. It is there in your sample papers also.
ओके।
So if you are sure जैसे टेलीफोन है मुआ आ गया, so you know that मुआ will convert into Louis. So you can attempt. है ना? So that is there. Noted. Shall we move?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third question. Now you have choice. Truela Questu, 5 parts. Okay. U. Responde or mete. Responde or what, children?
मैथे।
Mete or negative. 5 parts. Okay. Now there was 7 parts given. Out of that, you can attempt only 5. Here, you have to attempt all the parts, whatever the question you choose. Now, which question will you choose, kids?
Negative.
Negative.
नेगेटिव।
That is obvious. Everyone is going to choose negative. And if you want to choose Truvela Kestiu, you want to go out of the box, then I am not responsible.
नहीं मैम देखो ऐसी बात नहीं है बिकॉज थिंग इज जब भी मैंने किया है ना मुझे थ्रू वाला क्वेश्चन मतलब हो जाता है मेरा इसीलिए।
Then don't come
मैम
and tell me.
आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स ऐसे ऐसे कुछ नहीं है ऐसी कुछ बात नहीं है बट मेरे से हो जाता है मतलब आई एम जस्ट वैसे बता रहा हूँ।
See, that is your risk. I cannot commit on it. I am
हम
ठीक
suggesting
है।
you to attempt responde or meteo negative. हाँ जी बोलो.
हम थ्रू वाला क्वेश्चन छोड़ देना फिर।
Yes. In short, मेरा कहना यही था. Okay. But I cannot tell you clearly. Okay. That is like this, like this, like this. Okay. It is specifically told as छोड़ दो उसको. Okay. Now, don't waste your time doing Truvela Kestiu. Now, fourth one. The fourth question is, the fourth question is a little bit dicey question because both the topics are very important and both we have done it. Okay, one is les adjective demonstrative.
possessive और demonstrative।
Demonstrative et le pronom demonstrative. ठीक है? Ou les adjective possessive
मैम
और les pronom possessive. Okay, now my suggestion is, what do you think? What should you attempt?
Possessive is easier ना, मतलब
Yes.
relatively.
My
हाँ हाँ
suggestion
हाँ.
is to attempt what? Possessive.
possessive.
Yes. But I would not say this कि demonstrative छोड़ के जाओ. Now this is again situational. कई बार possessive pronoun का क्वेश्चन टफ आ जाता है, demonstrative का इजी आ जाता है. Okay? So we are going
मतलब
to do both of them. हम दोनों करेंगे practice. And you are going to attempt the one which is in which you can see clearly 5 marks I can take. Understood? So we are going to do both of them. But हाँ, Truvela Kestiu negative में, if you will ask me, I'll make you do only negative. I'm not going to support Truvela Kestiu. Now the fifth question that is going to come is, a big headache now. Pronoun personal. What are they? Pronoun personal? Direct,
वही सी
indirect, Y,
यूडी
यूडी
सी
सी वाई वाई एन तो नहीं.
and
नो.
tonic.
ये भी
All the
मैम,
six.
ये भी बकवास टॉपिक है.
Or les adject, les pronoun relative, simple and composite. Now which one you are going to attempt?
pronoun
Relative.
person.
Very good. Who is that? Simple.
Relative.
I want to know who is that particular person who will attempt that one,
I'm
please.
निको
Mr. Nick.
मैम मैंने मैम
Nick.
मुझे ज्यादा अच्छी तरह समझ आता है.
Fine, that is one's choice, but I would suggest you to attempt.
सिचुएशन के हिसाब से जो समझ आ रहा है वही करूंगा अच्छी तरह.
See, पिछले साल these two options I don't give. Demonstrative, adjective and pronoun personal. मैं नहीं बोलती किसी को attempt करने के लिए. Fourth and fifth question. Okay. Expectations on you people. Fulfill करना नहीं करना is your wish. Yeah. Sixth one, and it is a mandatory question. Subjunctive. Okay. 7 parts will be given. How many to attempt? 5. Yes. And mark my words. In 7 में से 5 will be exceptions. Or 6 will be exceptions. So don't take subjunctive lightly, please. Fine. Now we'll go for section D. Section D is what? Culture and
Literature.
civilization. Section D is La Culture. And this will be comprising 20 marks in the paper. Okay. So the first question in culture and civilization is responde. Responde o question. This will be 10 mark question. Okay. 7 parts given. How many to attempt? 5. Yes.
5.
Understood. So choose wisely. You cannot expect a person to write, okay, you write one line and you cannot expect that the person will give you 2 marks. So choose wisely, please. Each question comprises of 2 marks. That makes 5 into 2, 10. And there are questions in which 2 questions will be given. For example, est-ce que le système éducatif français est similaire, okay, le système éducatif en Inde? Question mark. Okay? And explique ça. Explain this. Children used to attempt the first part. No, it is not similar. Okay. And they leave the second one. or they attempt the second one, they leave the first one. Both the question has to be attempted. And second question will be, okay, fill in the blanks, that we call it as complete. Okay. And here options will be given. Okay. What help box you can see. Help box will be given. Okay. And then you need to fill in the blanks with the help of the help box given. So this will be also how many marks question? 5 questions would be there and 5 marker question. Okay. So this is compléter les phrases. Compléter les phrases is what? Fill in the blanks. Yes. Help box will be given and you need to attempt. There will be 5 questions you need to attempt all. But in the help box, you will be not getting only 5 words. There will,
मैम
Hanji. Help box will be
30 से
given to
फुट
you
में
people.
मिलेंगे।
Help box will be given to you people, but in that help box, you will not only have 5 options. In that help box, you will be having either 7 to 8 options. And you need to pick from those options and fill in the blank appropriately. Understood? Okay. The third question will be, okay, relier. Relier is match. What is relier? Match the following. Okay. Or you need to attempt vrai for. Vrai for is true or false. Now, which one is you going to attempt?
really
Relier. If you want to fetch full marks, you will be attempting what, children? You will be attempting relier. Okay, there is a reason behind this. Why? In way of for, generally it will be value based. What based? Value based. Okay. And vocabulary will be a problem. क्योंकि you need to translate the sentence and then you need to answer brave for. Am I right? You must have occurred this problem. Okay. You must have realized that somewhere you don't know the meaning of the word your brave for has gone wrong. है ना? So you will be attempting what, children? चलिए. For attempting this, expressions की जो एक list दी थी, am I right? सारे chapters की.
इसको
That will be helpful for you attempting rally. Because जहां गड़बड़ होती है वो expressions में ही होती है. That has been taken care of. Understood? Yes? Fine. So this is your board examination paper, or you can say that the pre-board paper. Pre-board में क्या changes हो सकते हैं? School to school. जहां पे 3 ऑप्शंस देते हैं किसके लिए? लेटर के लिए. एंड यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 1. वहां पे 3 ना दे के कितने दे सकते हैं? 2 दे के 1 अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए बोल
तो
सकते. दिस इज वन चेंज दे कैन मेक इट. द सेकेंड चेंज दे कैन मेक इट इज, जो और वाले क्वेश्चन है ना ग्रामर में, ट्रूवेला क्वेश्चन नेगेटिव, ओके, प्रोनम पर्सनल एंड व्हाट, प्रोनम रिलेटिव सैंपल कंपोजिट. ओके, इन क्वेश्चंस में से दे कैन टेल यू स्पेसिफिकली कि यही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट देम. दिस अदर चेंज दे कैन डू इट. इसके अलावा कोई और चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते इस क्वेश्चन पेपर के अंदर. और अगर मेरे जैसा कोई इंसान है जो क्वेश्चन पेपर बना रहा है, व्हाट शी कैन डू, रलिए 2.5 मार्क्स का दे के 2.5 मार्क्स का ब्रे ऑफ दे देगा.
ओ मैम आप इविल हो यार.
सो दैट कैन बी डन, बट उसके लिए मेरा जैसा दिमाग होना जरूरी है, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट माई चिल्ड्रन टू अटेम्प्ट बोथ ऑफ देम. तो 2.5 मार्क्स का रलिए दे के 2.5 मार्क्स का ब्रेव.
हमारी हमारी मैम उतनी एडवांस नहीं.
तो दिस कैन बी डन अगर मेरे जैसा दिमाग है तो. दैट इज ओनली थिंग कैन बी पॉसिबल. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो नाउ इस पैटर्न को अच्छे से ओके एक बार मेमोराइज कर लो, या फिर यू कैन से दैट यू कैन ग्रैब इट इनटू योर मेमोरी सो दैट यू डोंट मेक एनी मिस्टेक. क्योंकि सबसे पहली चीज यही होती है कि इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू अटेम्प्ट एंड हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट, ओके, देयर इटसेल्फ यू लूज मार्क्स। सो पैटर्न को अच्छे से एनालाइज कर लो, ग्रास्प कर लो अपने अंदर, सो दैट देयर इज नो point that you miss any of the questions or from in, like you should be very 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 clear while attempting the paper. Okay?
मैम
हाँ जी।
मैम लेटर में आप बता रहे थे ना कौन सा इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो बता दो एक बार।
Letters now. Chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 7, chapter 8, and chapter 10. Chapter 4 maybe you can do one letter. You can do that bibliothèque wala and you can leave the other one, Roma wala.